So you can click it once, nice, warm, kind of colorful. And you have a bright, which is that one. So you can take it down, take it up. I'll take it up. That's a nice cool blue. This one here, they collect. And then you have your bright white. Then all you do is you press and hold that. We're going to show you real quick how to do this. These are really nice. We've had them before, and we just love the look of them that replace these. And they're full LED instead of the little bulbs. So, oh, there it is. So to get this off, you just kind of, maybe, there you go. Like that. It's just little clips and bugs. Like that. Now these aren't bad. It's just not the greatest, if you ask me. And we are training our cat to be in here. So if you hear the cat meowing, that's what that is. And Gus. Oh yeah, Gus. He's a good boy, huh? Okay, anyways, this one has 4 screws. They're not, but they're better than what comes in the kit, though. So keep a hold of those.
Yeah, you can tell by the bulbs and the covers, those things lit. They get too hot.
Yeah, they do get too hot. Okay, so yeah, the 2 wires, you have a black and a white. Black on this is usually the hot, as we have gone through before. But what we're going to do is go ahead and just cut it. Like so. Now this is the light we're putting in. It has 3 different modes for cool, warm, and bright, which is really nice. And it has a dimmer switch that you can use. So that's going to fit up here like that. So it's a lot better looking, a lot higher or closer to the roof. And we're going to show you how this dude works here in just a second. All right. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and strip off just a little bit, maybe 1/4 inch. Like so. Give it a twist. So what we're going to use now is the wire nuts. Easy to do. Just put your wires together. Kind of like so. On this end. There you go. Now you get a better. There you go. Now we're going to go ahead and do the other one. Like the white. This should be able to hang for you, so it's not a big deal there. Just like that. So next thing you do, shove this stuff back up in there. Make sure you leave this in the channel here so it'll go into the hole. Then gonna even that out. You got the one end. Next, you have an OCD wife that likes to straighten it. So go ahead.
Actually, that looks pretty good.
Good?
Yeah, that's good.
All right, so we're going to do the other side. Not to, put your whole torque on it, so you're not, you don't want to break the roof, is what you, or break the plastic, I should say. Okay. So, you can click it once, nice, warm, kind of colorful. Then you have a bright, which is that one. So you can take it down, take it up. We'll take it up. That's a nice cool blue. This one here, they call it a movie cinema effect. And then you have your bright white. Then all you do is you press and hold that to turn it off. These that are caps. You want to go ahead and put the big part in first, then you'll hear it click. So you're kind of rocking it this way. So do this one. There's a little groove right there. So you put that in a groove and you hear it click. There you go. I'll get the other two in. We'll take her for another run. And there you go.
Now can the short wife reach?
Well, you're like 5 foot nothing. So.
Well, yeah. So I have to reach more, but I can reach it.
But doesn't that look a lot better than that? Plus, with the LEDs like this, they last so much longer.
Use less power.
And less power, by the way. So that's kind of nice. Just hold it. Now you saw that in real time. That's how fast it is to do this. No big deal. I will put the link in description for these that I got. Yeah, I think it's just a lot better looking and just something to kind of spruce yours up. Hey, but if you could, do us a favor, guys. It really helps me and Glenn that if you subscribe, which is really great. We've been getting a lot of response for that. But liking the video so it goes out to others, and that sends it down to like-minded people and help them see stuff like this that they may not know about. And they'll like you and send you gifts. Or not. So, until next time, guys. Oh, there's a cat. Yeah. We're working her into being in here. So she's in here a little bit while we're working. It kind of helps calm her down and makes her want to come out and be in it some more. So anyways, hey, I do appreciate it. Thank you again. Until next time, remember to smile. Life is good.
Bye.
Bye.